So a big part of what I'm doing here is just kind of seminar work, because the boomers are disappearing in real time. So we need to all start learning how to live in a world without boomer ideas and boomer assumptions, right? Now follow me here for just 1 second. And hi diddly hey neighbor, it's Jim. And I'm checking out the Pagan Winter with ASTAROTHICA, a UK act that is properly cult with the membership data. Is it a he? Is it they? Who can tell? But smells like a one-man band to me, and I've got a pretty uncanny sense for this. I can usually tell as sure as I can tell an AI-generated video. Anyway, so follow me down this rabbit hole. When the punk rockers started mimicking the heavy metal tropes back in the day, no one called it punk metal or heavy punk. It just quickly became its own thing, hardcore, right? And then years later, when the hardcore kids started mimicking the heavy metal tropes again, it kind of became its own thing, the metalcore. People may not consciously think this, but the way we all talk about metalcore indicates that everyone thinks it is something very different to actual heavy metal. It's just like a whole universe unto itself. Or at least we all discuss it in that way. Well, this whole thing with like a lot of the atmospheric, the pagan, the nature, the DSBM, BS, just a lot of those kinds of things. We need a new fourth way for them also, because how is this metal adjacent? Because it shares a couple of the tropes that people associated with heavy metal bands 50 years ago in 1976? What am I even doing with this on this venue for? Like, we're trying to talk metal here, and good lord. Anyway, all that's notwithstanding. So, wandering, pagany, foresty, wintry, atmospheric-y black metal. Enjoyment, I'd go 4 out of 10. He's good at it. Aesthetic is 6 out of 10. He harnesses a very overused aesthetic very well. Impact, so here's the thing. Impact is just about always 0 with these atmospheric one-man things, because if anyone likes this kind of stuff, they've got their own one-man atmospheric black metal project. Anyway, ASTAROTHICA, Pagan Winter. I'm drying up and wilting like a leaf. Jim Dempsey, Phil Vandervoort, somewhere out there in the world. Lord willing, back later.